How to convert a video to MP3 file. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can convert video to MP3 file. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you can use the V MP3 Converter. Open up a browser and in the search bar, search for V MP3 Converter and head over to their first link. There you may be prompted to log in if you're not already logged in. If you're logged in, click on Convert MP3 File. Now you'll be asked to upload a video. Click on Upload a File, or you could simply drag and drop your file as well. Here I will upload one of my video. Click on Open. Now once your video is completely uploaded, if you see at your top right corner, there is an option that says Convert to, and there is a drop down that says MP3. If that is not selected as MP3, you have to click on this drop down, head towards the audio and select MP3. Now once your video is completely uploaded on V MP3 Converter, now here you can simply click on Convert button, and once the video is converted to MP3 file, you could simply export it in your device. So that's it. That's how you can convert video to MP3 file, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.